we got an iPhone 14 Pro Max that automatically restarts on every 3 minutes. This process works on any 14 series iPhone like 14, 14 Pro, 14 Plus, 14 Pro Max, and from 11 to 15 series. The process was the same. The common problem that shows in that case is, like all function looks like normal, but the iPhone auto reboots after 2-3 minutes. You are watching this video, which means you also have faced such issues on your iPhone. The major cause for that issue is water, which affects some sensitive section of your iPhone. While the timer is about 2.34, the iPhone restarts automatically. Many iPhone users like you have faced such strange issues and try to find the proper solution. This video tutorial gives you all the answers to how you can fix such issues on your device. If you are visiting us the first time, then don't forget to subscribe and give feedback about the video. If the iOS device randomly crashes on use, then it captures the panic log data. The data that you can check from here. Tap on Setting, scroll down. Tap on Privacy and Security, scroll down. Tap on Analytics and Improvement. Tap on Analytics Data. Scroll down till Panic Full Log by Name don't find. Before going to the Judgment and Restart issues, first clearly observe the panic log data and go to the solution. Open it. Here you have to understand the log data. Here you can see sensor array OX40000. Many video claims after restore such issues fixed, but that issues was not fixed. That leads to your data delete. The panic log clearly shows some line damage and parameter section. Let's check the PCB status, which looks normal and has no sign of water. I am here using the flex from the toner iPhone. If you buy third-party charging flex, then make sure first that is working properly. Most of the new flex that I found faulty. Yes, there is no problem on any charging, but while on the restart cases, this may fail. If possible, always use genuine parts. Let's check, we go with the timer again. The timer crossed over 3 minutes and is still not restarted, means this problem was fixed. In some cases, we can repair flags. Let's try once. I saw some rusty sign on the screw. After close observation, here you can see water symptoms on the pressure sensor. Let's say it can be fixed or not. In most of the cases, this happens due to water damage. If you have such issues, then you can check yours. I clean it and give it some heat. My bad, that heat's damaged the plastic case. I replace that holding case. If you have any query about the video, please leave a comment below, or you can tell how you fixed your restart issues on your iPhone. Let's check. Start the timer. If this video helped you, don't forget to give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Thegsmsolution, for more effective tips and tutorials. The timer crossed over 3 minutes, means the problem was fixed. No need to change the flags. The old flags that was previous on iPhone was working fine. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another video. Peace out.